In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear WhatsApp cache on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up WhatsApp application. Then go to settings. After that, add storage and data and then manage storage. That's where we can manage our WhatsApp storage. As you can see, I got about 290 megabytes taken by cache of media, files and messages, and down below we can find those conversations. That has the files and messages. And right from here we can clear that data. So guys, all you have to do to clear the cache is just open up some conversation. As you can see, we can find a lot of media files here. And if you would like to delete some media to save some disk space, we can top and select. Then select the media files we would like to delete. And then top a trash icon and then delete items. In the same way, we can get into each of that conversation. By the way, conversations are sorted by decreasing this space taken by media files in the conversations, so we can get into any conversation. And then we can continue doing the same steps. That's how you can actually clear cache on WhatsApp application.